So we are back with yet another U-substitution problem from Khan Academy. Let me rewrite this question over here. So this is the antiderivative of 6x over 5 plus 3x squared to the fourth power dx. So what we have to do here is we have to choose a u, so that's our first step. So I'm going to be choosing this one here because it's raised to the power of something else. So u is going to be equal to 5 plus 3x squared. Typically the u is going to be something that's under something else, or raised to the power of something, or under radical, or something like that. And the derivative of u with respect to x is just 6x dx. Again, I use the differentiation rules for this. I'd encourage you to watch those if you don't know how to do this, or you forgot. So now we have to do the replacing, and the replacing is not that hard in this case because we can just replace the 6x dx with du right over there because that's what it's equal to. And then we can replace this 5 plus 3x squared with u because that is what that's equal to. So this is just going to become the antiderivative of du over u to the fourth power. And this is just equal to, so this might seem confusing, but this is just equal to the antiderivative of 1 over u to the fourth power du. These two are equivalent, right? Just move this over. So now what we have to do is we have to use the reverse power rule. But before we can use the reverse power rule, we have to first bring this u to the fourth power up. Right, it's now in the denominator, we have to bring it to the numerator. We just turned that 4 into a negative 4. So that's just going to become u to the negative fourth power du. And then now we can use our reverse power rule, which is just going to make this the u to the negative 4 plus 1, which is negative 3 over negative 4 plus 1, which is negative 3, plus c. But then we have to replace this u with x. So in terms of x, so we just have to make this 5 plus 3x squared. I'm running out of space. 5 plus 3x squared raised to the negative third power, all over negative 3 plus c. And that's your answer. So let me just box this in, and then we can just write it. This goes up. We can just write it over here. This is how you would just type it in on Khan Academy. So you just type it in as 5 plus 3x squared raised to the negative third power over negative 3 plus c. I hope you found this video helpful.